How's it going, everyone? This is Sean with Adaptor Marine Solutions here, and today we're going to be talking about the Garmin BlueNet to RJ45 adapter cable. Comes in this nice slender packaging. And when we open this box up, this is going to be a very simple unboxing as there's not much to it. We have our cable. So it is a normal Ethernet an Ethernet RJ45 on one side to Garmin BlueNet on the other side. Now this BlueNet is very similar to their Garmin Marine Network small cable, just a faster transmit speed they're running on it. This will be the way of Garmin in the future. But this will allow you to run third-party devices. You may have, let's say, a FLIR camera, and you'll go into your PoE isolator on this side, and you'll have Garmin BlueNet out the other side. Couple of use cases for this cable. You can find this cable on our website, and the product link will be below. Thanks for watching.